G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and welcome back to another episode of Happy Flying number 39, where we just get together, talk about some drone stuff, and throw some footage on in the background. Now, right here, I want to say I'm in love. This spot, I had no idea. It's just around the corner from me, and it's fantastic when you find an awesome-looking spot, and there was hardly anybody around. There wasn't even anybody there when I went there this day, so I think this was my third pack in this spot, and I absolutely love it. And we're talking about all these little gaps, getting lucky, and a bit of a trap that some newcomer pilots come into, because you might see all this crazy stuff on YouTube, think I want to do that. Lo and behold, well, something's broken. So let's get into it. We're flying around. Of course, this one's just some onboard with the Bangor, just recording some of the onboard DJI footage right here. And today's one, it's all about, I do a few close calls in here, and this is what I want to talk about to new pilots flying around. You might see some amazing footage online and think, yeah, I can't wait to get out and do that. I've just built my drone. But people need to know their limitations, and not only are you going to crash your drone, but it could be costing you a lot of money as well. So you might be seeing a lot of bando footage out there, and I strongly recommend people not to do bandos. And check out this for a terrible, absolutely terrible inverted yaw spin. That one didn't go together very well. But yeah, a lot of pilots I know, they can't wait to get out and start flying bandos. They're like, Stuart, I get emails. I've just built my brand new drone. I'm going to go rip, any new bandos or anything like that around in these areas. And I've got to say, look, mate, you've just built it. Please have some respect for the drone and for you. It's not as easy as it's going to be. And if you've just built something, chances are you're a very new pilot, and bandos are extremely unforgiving. So I want to get that through to people. If you're going to be practicing some freestyle, don't be hitting some super tiny gaps. Don't be doing it around some concrete and some poles. It takes years and years of experience to build up to that sort of stuff and not break something every single time. And those videos you see on YouTube, quite often what you don't see, I think I got pretty lucky here. What you don't see is the tons of crashes and the broken GoPros and all that sort of stuff that's behind the scenes. So please, this is just a little quick happy flying video flying around. Let me know what you think about my also kind of, I'm not sure how I feel about this freestyle spot or my freestyle skills here. I do feel like they're improving, but just a little happy flying video to give some advice to some new pilots coming in. If you're seeing some people flying around doing some crazy stuff, take it slow. Baby steps at a time. You got to learn to walk before you learn to run. And if you're flying around unforgiving environments, it's just almost got unlucky there, crashing into something. And even here too, this gap, I don't know how that was more arse than class. I'm definitely sure they would be saying that. But yeah, definitely, please take it easy. But anyway, look, it was just a really short little video today. I wanted to get that out to some people because I've seen far too many people getting their first build and then it is wrecked on their first slides. Take it slow, learn somewhere safe, and because it's better to be flying more and having more packs than just getting lucky once and crashing your drone the second time around. So anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV-related content. Huge shout out to my flying buddy there for taking me to this spot. I can't wait to go out and rip it again because I can't believe it was so close. Usually, there's always people flying around in the other spots, so there's not enough trees or anything like that. But this one, absolutely, that was pretty good. Oh, and almost here, trust me, almost hit myself in the head there. So I freaked out and actually hit this arm, covered my head. So I was getting unlucky at the end. Anyway, happy flying.